years. This heat wave is nuts. It's been 35 degrees Celsius, which is like 96 or something for you guys in the States. So hot, and we're not used to that in Canada. It's usually like 20 right now. Yeah, just a quick update. I'll show you some close-ups. I just got to leaf blow this, and then I'll show you what's going on, how well it's growing in. We'll see you in a second. Alright, so I can't see anything because of the sun, but I'm hoping you can see this. It's doing pretty good. I hope that's okay. I'll change the angle a bit. Going back into the sun, maybe. Not so bad. It is filling in nicely considering this weather. It's actually doing better in the shady section, probably because of the heat. But yeah, overall, like, it's still growing. Got to give it a water now. But yeah, I mean, things are looking good. You just got to be on it. You got to get out there and just work. All right, so it's all watered in. Just want to give you guys a quick close-up. So give me a sec, I'll flip this camera around and you can see how it's been doing. This has been 11 days since I seeded. All right, let's take a look. So 11 days, and it's filling in pretty nice. There's one spot over there. The sun hits it, it's been beating on it. I've been keeping up. I mean, there is germination, but it's not as thick as it is in the shade. And I honestly can't blame it. You got days in the 90s, mid 90s, especially in Canada. That does a number on your lawn. But it's looking good. It is filling in nicely. Alright guys, so just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't like a full in-depth video. I just wanted to show you what's going on the putting green and how the seed's coming in this hot weather that we're having. It's not dormant, it's growing. So yeah, just a quick check-in. We'll see you on the weekend with the actual video. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment if you got a question about this and how it's actually surviving, because it's tough, but it's doing it. See you in a few days.